Hey guys, Mr. Mac again. I am going to show you now how to create that citation for that digital image that we use on the basin and range portion of the website. And you would follow these steps pretty much as best as you can for any image that you use on the website. Because remember, we don't want to get into any trouble using a material that's not actually ours without permission. So I got this from EasyBib, and what's nice is some of this stuff shows up for our image and some of it doesn't. So let me go to the image and just kind of show you it again. So here's the image. If you scroll down, Creative Commons, that means that you can use it for different things. If you go down, it does give some information down here. So the good and bad news is we can get some of this, but we can't get all of it. Okay, so the creator's last name, first name. Now on the image, it has a person that uploaded it. That's the username of the person. We don't know if that's their actual name or maybe it's just a nickname. Either way, we're going to give credit to that person. And the title of the image doesn't really exist. However, what we could do is we could give some of these descriptions because in Pixabay, if you were to search Grand Canyon, for instance, this image would come up, or Colorado River, and so on. So I think we could actually just include some of those as the title of the image. So I'm going to do Horseshoe Bend Grand Canyon. Okay. The title of the website, that is Pixabay, and I'm going to italicize that. And then there were no other contributors or versions of this image, numbers of it on there, nor was there a publisher. But we can find the publication date, and then we can put the URL, the page that we got it on. So on Pixabay, the publication date is always in the bottom right. It was uploaded on December 16th, 2016, but it was created on July 28th, 2014. So the publication date is when it would have been uploaded, so we can put December 16th, 2016. So December 16th, 2016. And then the URL. Really, for the URL, you could leave out like the HTTPS. You can leave out all that. But if you really just want to copy and paste that, there you go. Now, I've already kind of prearranged up the ruler here. The weird thing about the citations are you really indent the second line. It's the opposite of traditional writing, where you indent the first line of a paragraph, and then you have everything else along the left margin. So you could do that just by playing around with the ruler up here. Sometimes tab is a little tricky on Google, but there you have it. So we've given credit to this image, and then what you could do is as you create citations on your page. Okay, so here's that page I was playing around with in the other video. You could embed from Google Drive. However, that might look a little goofy, having an entire page of citations embedded. So to maybe fix that from looking goofy, what you could do is add a text box. Just have it, you could even have it small. Say citations. Actually, let's go a little bit bigger and small. Let's go normal. Okay, citations, and have a hyperlink, and to share that, let's get a shareable link here on that document. Anyone can view. Let's copy it, and then apply. Okay. And then you would be able to view that in the published version. Okay.